what does it really mean to follow God? Like as I stand here today, I'm reminded of the first time my children ever got an opportunity to be in snow. And when we walked outside in the snow, they were very fearful in terms of the steps that they would take. And what I did was I walked in front of them and I took steps. And I said to them, instead of creating your own footprints, walk in the footprints that I've already made.
Stretch my hands to you.
Life like, this is what your life like. Try to live the life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light, secret what your life like. Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Dreaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they needin' me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it through your piece. Tell me what your life like, turn it down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way, being on my best though. Block up on the text though, nothing else next though. Not another word, let a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really wanna rest so. Man, it's really lifelike, everything in my life. Arguing with my dad and he said it ain't Christ-like. Man. You know it's like somebody only close you can get you like off your. I be on my. I woke up this morning, I said my prayers, I'm all through it good. I try to talk to my dad, get him some advice. He starts spazzing on me. I start spazzing back. He said, that ain't Christ-like. I said, ah!
Durgio told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I done sat with a million politicians, I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more, I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that still unemployed. I know a felon who trying to get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going to courts. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really had came in the clutch. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Stop trying to take drugs, I refer to myself. Trying to better myself, trying to better my health. But all my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. First generation ghetto nigga, cold world.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Niggas keep shooting up the let out. Yo, enjoy the pill, gotta get out. Cause the shit that I spit out is a cheat code, like a face in a Rico. And how a nigga put a hit out. And another one, and and another one. I got like 100 of them by the lap niggas, so they think
like
they
the
ahead
chat
of
on
me.
my
But I'm really in front of
laptop
them
screen is
now.
just
Some of
small
them fumbling they bags, fucking up the little crumbs that they had. A reminder to humble yourself. This shit could be gone in an instant. Me, I'm running long distance, all pistons firing. I've been stuck between maybe retiring and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days, seeing rappers.
When did I take this trade? I called it on for the VIP. But when was it? I think it was, I'm not sure at what goddamn moment. I feel like it was like, I don't know when, but I called for a break even. I think literally the second I called for a break even, I'm not the second, let's say about I don't know, 3 minutes, 2 minutes later, it just started forming. Never came back.
Most days, fuck them all like I'm going through a whole phase. Young niggas shoot out the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid, and the only thing to kill them is old age.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
They be trying to keep me down. All this time.
Oh my god.
Never thought I'd
Boys.
make it out.
Jesus Christ.
No.
Oh wow. Alright, let's see something. Good morning everybody, welcome to the stream. We're going for a while today, boys. We're going all the way to New York session, and we gotta catch something else. I'm wondering what's the chances that this actually still melts out.
Johnny and Giuliano.
Real nigga shit. Other night at your crib, it was like.
Alright, come back to our daily candlestick. I mean, we're coming off of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row being bullish. 7th day right now is bullish. I mean, there's a strong chance that we just rally and don't come back, right? Now, what's the chance that this is the top and we actually start showing some signs of retracements, like on the higher time frames, therefore seeing a bearish daily candle? I mean, to see a bearish daily candle right now, we need like a 60 pip drop. First things first, let's check Forex back. Dog fame is a motherfucker. Do a nigga 4 favors when you came through the 5th. How soon they forget? Run up on you at your granny house, do you 9 like 5th? How a nigga supposed to love you niggas? Heart beating fast when I dap and when I hug you niggas. Drake told me not to trust you niggas. Your energy off, you finicky, I rush you niggas. Just walk around the crib like, why nigga can't live? Get this money, fuck these bitches though. So we had the pre-London, CPI, and now at 1 hour before, alright, so we see the FOMC meeting. Yeah, I remember we talked about that. FOMC meeting is an hour before New York close. That would be interesting to watch, or like be a part of, but that would be a weird stream. I'll have like 10 people.
Y'all better not come to my studio with that fake shit. Y'all better not come to my funeral with that fake shit. Y'all better off realizing there's nothing that y'all can do with me. All I ever ask is keep it 8 more than 92 with me 100. All I ever ask.
Oh wow, the bot trade. Have you guys been checking out the bot trades?
Thank me later, thanks for nothing, thanks for bluffing, thank you so much for wearing your true colors to every single fucking function. Had niggas tell me to my face how we were family and how they love me, why they was skimming off the budget. Now when I see them, they're the ones that's acting funny. People been reaching out to me and I'm on some straight on
Alright, hello. Beautiful.
I would have so many friends if I didn't have money, respect, and accomplishments. I would have so many friends if I held
like I
back the
said,
truth and
my
I
question
just
is,
gave out
what's the chance that this is actually just a fake out for the buyers, and that, you know, we're probably looking at a fib short? 0618 rejection possibilities, right? 0618 rejections, impulse to the downside, correction, back impulse, then we have the head and shoulders formation. What is the chance that that is what's happening here? Right? If you're not convinced and you really don't want to take bias today, and you're willing to lose off sells, I mean, that's the setup you're looking for. What does that mean? That means somewhere around these lines within this 13 pip range, you're going to throw a trade
30 pip stop loss. 30 pip stop loss is 600. That means 30 pip stop loss is right there. 900. What does this mean? By the time you reach these highs, you're not bearish anymore. There's zero chance that you're going to be bearish. Even if you reach these highs, if you reach this resistance, you're most likely going to break it at one point, maybe resist, range around resistance, and then see a break or see a downside impulse, and then randomly during news, like, I mean, you know, it's hard to catch those breaks. Regardless, you get to this resistance area, and we're pretty bullish, right? Now, on the other hand, that's why this is a great stop loss. That's a perfect example of why 30 pips is just good standard size to be able to make sure that you're catching the correct bias and giving your trade a chance to breathe, really. Now, 30 pips, take profit at a 1-1. You know, we like catching at least, you know, something like that. Yeah, it looks valid. It looks valid. It's not my type of trade. I definitely need. It's not my type of trade. Right now, this actually looks like it's gonna work though. Also, this right here looks like a continuation candlestick. A lot of people, you know, I always talk about, a lot of people confuse this for this being a reversal candle. This for me is a continuation candle. This does not tell me reverse. There's many times where you see right here, downside, continuation, downside. Same thing right here. You know, does it mean it happens every single time it's going to continue? No, nothing ever happens. There's no formulas in trading. There's no exact law that's going to happen every single time. Nonetheless, higher probabilities tell me that is a continuation candlestick, and that means that the higher probability chances that we're going to continue pushing whenever we see those candles, or continue, you know, depending on whatever, you know what I mean. I called out this trade for the VIP. Nonetheless, I freaking called to break even, and then a minute later it started flying. And I mean, I have a good amount of people that are still in the trade. Very few people closed. Well, I saw one person that closed. I don't know who else closed. I think Badas also closed, or Badas doesn't even take my trades. I don't even know. I know that one of the VIP members closed. Another one went full margin and didn't even close because he was in Hail Mary mode. So he wasn't even looking at that goddamn trade. He was like, dude, I was about to type when I hopped into this trade. First of all, I went into like 10 pip drawdown instantly. Second of all, I'm on a losing streak right now, boys. Remember that. Third of all, what's the third of all? Third of all, when I was about to send this trade onto the VIP chat, I was going to tell them, boys, take a 0.5% risk, because if this breaks this resistance, we could see some fuckery, and then it flies. And I was like, I don't know, I might want to extend my stop loss a little bit. Before I even get to like edit my message, I see somebody in my VIP go, yep, full margining this one. Boys, how's the music? Music too loud? Why would I think I'm too huge on the fucking screen. How about that? Especially with the way I'm looking, I need to freaking go get like a fresh cut, go see my barber and shit. I need like morning coffee and shit. I'll trip you. Like I said, continuation candlestick. I mean, this is what the sellers would take if you were a seller of the market and you're not willing to take the buy. That's what you're looking at. You know, me, I'm obviously just barely on stream. I already called out this trade pretty earlier. I'm honestly just gonna wait a little around and see what's actually gonna happen and see if the bias gets determined. You know, there's a lot of times where we're trying to anticipate a bias, and that's what we did here. We anticipated a bias. I mean, yes, we knew that we were bullish and we knew our higher probabilities were taking buys. Nonetheless, we anticipated a turnaround. We anticipated this bullish, you know, current trend, smaller time frame trend, inner trend. There's also these different types of trades where you could be 100% sure and where you know where the market's going. Like I said, if we reach this resistance area, I know for a fact, yes, we could range a little bit. We could, you know, come back down and then wick back up. I don't know, or we could just get to resistance and then wick through it. it's never really easy to catch trades at resistance. You know, there's always playing little mind games with people. Nonetheless, I'm pretty sure that once it gets to resistance, we're gonna be able to set a pretty good set a pretty good trade break. Set a pretty good trade to be able to catch the continuation. Basically, you know, where bias is already gonna be completely confirmed. I mean, this is the confirmation right now. This wick filling that wick. That's a confirmation that we're gonna keep on going bullish. But we need to be able to hold that confirmation. We need to be able to be sure of it. Different type of trade. One, you're anticipating the confirmation, you know, and now everybody can catch runners, or the other half of people are basically just waiting for confirmation to be confirmed and waiting for their setup. You know, it takes patience. It takes patience, and it takes a calm mindset. You can't really be like, oh, I missed out on the trade. I missed out on my trade today. Music a bit too loud. There. My bad boys. There. Oh shit. I forgot I was on Discord. You hear me? I hear you, Padas. You hear me? Let me see something. 1 second, boy. Opening up my sound control. There. Bro, this trade's flying. Did you take it? What? Now that I think about it, I don't know if the stream could hear you. Yo, what it do? Is that Arnold's? Nice. I don't think the stream hears you guys. I don't know if you guys want me to open up a Zoom call, or you guys really don't give a fuck. Did you take the trade, Arnold? Did you close that break even? It was a moment of small distraction. That's the truth. It was a moment of small distraction. Well, at least that means I have somebody who's gonna grind through it today with me again. Boys, how's the music? How's everything, bro? How's the dummy? Darkus, Connor, Saxy. If you are a VIP member, by the way, boys, if you guys go to the Discord, you can look under the Discord chat. There's a voice chat. We're in the voice chat right now. I don't think the stream hears it though, but I guess switch it over to Zoom. Wow, this trade's going, man. That Martini guy went full margin. And gold is dying, dude. Look at that beautiful wick fill. Look at that beautiful wick fill, dude. A lot of people get confused that this is like that little wick that would be like, if I'm not even saying it because I'm watching it happen, I would have called it out. If I would have seen that wick right here close at resistance, I mean at support, I would have been like, boys, that's most likely going to be a wick fill. You can tell that that's not the actual liquidity grab. Well, it is a liquidity grab, but it doesn't mean that it wants to reverse. Liquidity grabs aren't always reversal, you know, confirmations. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh my god. What kills me is that I'm basically completely considered still being in a losing streak. Yes, 100% looking for another bring your trade.
with you, I grew up with you, used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss at you. I used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that a boss at you. Fuck niggas, I don't trust niggas. If you boss niggas, then you tell you a fuck nigga.
Alright, well, we have 2 hours and 20 minutes till New York session crossover. So honestly, the goal is to get in a trade, and if the trade takes long to hit, I hopefully hope that the New York and London crossover is what pulls us and gives us the extra push that we need. You know? Oh my god, there's a beautiful upside down hinge just being formed. Arnold, did you double think before closing the trade? Or you're just like, oh, this guy said close that shit, I'm closing ASAP? I didn't even double think it. I said, oh hell no, I do not like how that looks, and I said I am not losing again today, boys. Honestly, it's all fine. I'm not really upset about it. What's gonna throw me off is that if I don't catch the next trade, you know. So everything's fine up until me not being able to catch another trade. And up to the moment, I'm not gonna catch freaking gold while we miss that setup. Gold's falling completely. And GJ, I'm happy that it's doing what it's doing right now, because now it's not gonna hit the take profit officially. And up to the moment, I mean, I don't know. There's opportunity to be played out. Like I said, boys, sells are not out the door yet. Yeah, I closed out the trade. Arnold's, if you had to put money on it, what do you think is gonna happen? You think it's actually gonna break this resistance, or you think we're gonna basically break lows? That's the question. What we're gonna do? We're gonna break. We went on 192 on the dot, or are we going on 193? So you think we're gonna end bullish? And is that because you're... Look, this is the halfway mark. So if we go by those halfway marks that I usually, you know, talk about and play about, we got magnet zone over there. We got magnet zone over here. Right? Huge levels of price being attracted to. Basically our swing lows, swing highs, whatever you guys want to call them. You know, like BBCs, WMCs. BBCs.
You hear me? You hear me? This is a basketball. TJ, you're the captain of the team. You like
P. Wait, I don't know, something we got to come up one for Badass.
Defense. Watch that change. 1, 2, 3.
Where the hell you at, Badass? Were you? But send the voice chat link to the Discord, like to VIP. Boys, YouTube chat. 1's in the chat if you guys think that we're gonna end bullish. 2's in the chat if you guys think we're gonna end bearish. Oh, Rojas is not with the bullish momentum. He said, fuck that. I know exactly the trickery that's being played here. Red Eye Samurai says, bullish. Hey, did you get to take a trade, Miguel? Miguel, I'm not really sure what. Eric. Not anymore. No, sir. I am not in, so therefore we are looking for a trade on live stream, boys. If you guys are here, you guys are early. I don't think they hear that bullshit about us. I don't think Dummy got the technology to do that. That might be the sniper cell. 100%. It's a... Yeah, he gotta go to school or some shit. You little boy. Paras? He left. Wow. Is this the re-entry? Wick. Or that's a little too perfect. New kicks, I don't care what it goes. Too big, I'm turning to a boast. Alright, is gold still melting? Let's see what gold is doing. Gold looks very bearish, man. Even if it's giving these little wick rejections, I think it's going to continue to the downside. Now, when can we possibly catch a retracement on gold? I don't know, man. This thing looks just scary to try to catch. The dollar has been pushing, that's the truth, man. Look at the DXY. Look at the daily on the DXY. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. 7 days we've been on a bullish rally, basically. So 7 trading days, not even 7, not even, it's been a week, it's been 7 trading days, almost 2 weeks basically. The dollar's been pushing, and we have the FOMC meetings coming today. So what are the dollar predictions? Let's look at if we have anything wonky happening on the DXY that we could say could get corrected. That's the first thing to look for. Signs of correction. Honestly, if DXY goes down, I doubt the DXY goes down. You know what I'm talking about? Right? I think that if FOMC meetings is gonna happen, I think the chances of them giving freaking, not even of them giving negative news. I don't think that negative news or positive news is what's gonna make the dollar go up. I don't think it's based on that. If you guys think it's so easy to be like, oh, he says something positive, dollar's going up. No, it doesn't work like that. So regardless of what he says, positive or negative, I think the market's reaction is going to favor the dollar. Maybe not in its initial reaction. I have no idea, but I feel like the dollar is going to be favored. So when I'm looking at the weekly candlestick chart, I'm thinking, man, this has a lot more to go to be able to actually recover, you know, this huge, you know, bearish period that we went through, which was basically like probably like a four month span. Who knows? I'm not going to do the calculations, you know. And then we recovered half of it, exactly half of it. You see, half of the fall, we recovered it. After recovering half of that fall, we were like, oh no, we're still gonna be bearish, right? But it was a fake out. We completely recovered that. We're back at this resistance. Back at that resistance means that we need to break it. My predictions say FOMC meetings means that we're gonna break through this resistance, potentially wick fill everything and see a huge movement to the top side. So everything favoring the dollar. I mean, like GU. Wow, that's GJ. All right, where's GU? So GU's struggling to go up. Wait, what is GU doing? Yep, GU is struggling to go up. No, let me fix my goddamn chart. I hate when it does that. Yeah, GU has not shown any bullish momentum. GJ and GU are complete different entities. They're completely trading different right now. I got brought my morning coffee. Jesus. My wife's dad is a beast. Black ass coffee. What happened to your voice? Just like an AI. I can't talk loud right now. Jesus, I want to be home. Alright, point is GJ. GJ looks very bullish. GU looks very bearish. It's pretty clear. Dollar's pushing. The dollar is pushing. The dollar is what moves the market. We have a very dead chat. How about I'll give it to you like this? We get to 50 likes and we'll do a VIP giveaway. 50 likes VIP giveaway. Is the music still very loud for the stream or the music's fine? Oh my god, look at the bullish momentum that we have. Thank you, Arnold. What did do 2 plus backwards? That boy, I haven't seen that boy in a minute. Dude, I'm so upset I'm not in this trade right now. I actually closed up. I closed early. What did you do, Sagar? I told my VIP chat to break even, and that shit. How long did it take Arnold after I told him to break even for it to fly? You were probably watching it more than I was. 10 minutes? Well, I thought it was a little bit before. I told it went immediately, said Saxy. No, I think it took a little bit. It took me Saxy as he closed. Dude, I'm pretty sure I closed and that shit started spiking up because I closed and I looked like 2 minutes later and I was like, oh wow, I could have closed and saved like 6 pips, but I was like, I don't give a fuck. And then I got away from my phone, and then I come back to my phone and I see freaking this happening. Damn. I had a lack of focus, boys. That's the truth. When you don't have focus, you know, you fuck up. And I thought I was focused, and I saw something that completely I didn't like, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna save my ass. That's the problem when you come off of a loss. You know, you're just trying to avoid losses. So I'm not upset now, but I will be upset if I can't catch another trade, which I doubt. I got this, you know, especially if this is going to be bullish. If this was falling, I'd be like, all right, I'm a little bit scared, but I'm actually not scared. As it goes up to resistance, boys, I know I'm going to be able to call out something. Even if it's a goddamn 35 pip stop loss and I get only 20 pips into profit, I'm going to be able to call something for a fact. I'm excited for my coffee. As black as dark water. In California, the time change sucks. I know, bro. I know. Usually I usually just don't go to sleep, and then I'm up for a London session, and I don't miss out on anything. Lately everything's been happening goddamn early. Everything. Like, what the goddamn fuck? You start drinking coffee like peso? I need to fucking start selling a coffee on stream. Oh, you guys could hear me sip through like my mic. I don't know if that's disrespectful. What do you think, Arnold? Does it sound like I'm right? It's like bad manners to hear somebody slurp. How's everything, Sagar? Chat. If you guys had to put money on it, what do you think is gonna happen? We're gonna go bullish on GG, or are we actually gonna sell off? I think that sellers feeling disrespected right now. We're just completely counting them out. I'm not. I know that the markets have a mind of their own. This is 0618 rejection on the dot for you freaking for you gamblers. I can't believe I closed out on the trade, but I'm over it. I at least have it up on the board, like I have it up on the screen, so whenever people enter the stream, they could think that I'm a beast. There's a possibility you could range till FOMC. I don't know if I don't think it's gonna range till FOMC. We don't look like we're in a zone where it's gonna range. You know, we look like we're in a zone that it's just a very determining level. If we're gonna keep on going bullish, I mean, that means we're in a bullish rally, and we're gonna see little bits of retracement, you know, close to none, and keep on going. And if we start retracing, that means that, you know, some point when there's a bunch of volatility, we're gonna see hell, you know, because we need 60 pips to at least get to the, what was the daily flip? Yeah, I think the daily flip is 60 pips, boys. 70 pips for a daily flip. So if we want to see, so if we think that we're gonna close as a doji, you know, because I don't think we're not gonna go bearish. Like the daily candlestick is not gonna actually go bearish unless FOMC meeting hits and then it dies, right? But the daily candlestick can turn into a doji, can come back to where the daily opened. That is a complete possibility. And then, you know, maybe bait around going bearish and then go back to doji. Now come all the way down as a doji, as a red candle, that would mean that the freaking market's crashing. Maybe not, you know, but like there's like a 5% to 2% to 1% chance that actually happens. So really, when it comes down to this, like I said, for those who did not anticipate the bias, right, this is anticipate the bias trade. Right now we're waiting for bias confirmations. Bias confirmations means that when we're sure that price gets to a certain level, we know that we're going to be able to catch, you know, the correct bias and you know, just catch an easy trade. Not much more complication to it. What's so funny is that this guy going full margin is probably the reason I goddamn closed. This guy. It's so funny how he's not even the curse for the, he's like the curse, man. Like this guy's, I don't know what he is, but well, if you were in major drawdown, full margin couldn't have been 2 lots. This guy Rojas. Oh, Rojas, you're in the, oh, Rojas the Barbers. Rojas, that makes sense. Rojas, are you an actual VIP member or are you a giveaway winner? That's fucked up to say. You guys are all VIP members. Giveaway. That's so funny. Alright, explain that to me. The reason I went full margin, I need to fix a way to be able to see the chat. Alright, what if I go to Streamlabs Connect? One second, boys. Gotta keep my distance, they surround me. I'ma need an extra for the 2. They might have to go and build a house for me. I'ma need an extra for the. We done did so much around the law. Stay up to forget about what I saw. Powers keep increasing by the bar. Shit don't make you sleepy after all. Shopping in my closet, not the mall. Opening my mouth for disco ball. Oh, I got it. I got the chat in front of me now. Amazing. Alright, fire. Alright, I'll be there forever though. I have learned so much in a short period of time. The reason why I went for margin is because the drawdown and TFT is fucked. I don't want to move different prop firm. But what does that mean? What do you mean the drawdown is fucked? Or wait, the DD, the drawdown is fucked and TFT is fucked. Why is TFT fucked? I have so many TFT clients. Stop saying that. Oh wow, Gold's seen a little bit of a, man, are we gonna freaking snipe Gold or what? No, what am I saying? I'm just kidding. We're not going against the dollar today. Whatever we do, we are not going against the dollar. That's the #1 rule.
Times
So let's not just whatever trade we're gonna take on live stream, we have to take a trade. Let's just not go against the goddamn dollar. I'm actually even down to freaking just catch this continuation trade that I think is gonna play out right now on GU. A little sell off. So this is basically the sell that I caught on. Like we took a buy on GJ like around the level looking like this, around this candlestick at this point, right? I went straight into drawdown about 10 pips. This is 7 pips. And then after that, when I saw price looking like this, which for me this is a bearish setup, I told everybody this is exactly what I'm looking at, bearish setup. And this is exactly the reason I closed. Like, I don't know if you guys are looking at the candlestick VIP members. This is exactly the formation in which I was like, you know what? I do not like this. I told you guys, we were actually in drawdown 2 or 3 pips. And I was like, boys, take the small loss or close at break even. And USD JPY new all-time high soon. TFT rejects payouts because they recently, and it feels like the platform is going to go bankrupt. I'll be there forever. LOL, learned so much in a short period of time. Thank you, appreciate that. Yeah, I've been working on making sure the VIP members for, I mean, I get told all the time it's a very small amount for compared to what other people's are, but I feel like other people send a lot more trades and shit like that. So what I've been trying to do is just be a lot more hands-on with my VIP, and it's gonna maintain that way forever. You know, I want to grow my VIP to be 1,000+ members, and not even care about the live stream and just be able to come to my VIP and shit. People take it more serious in the VIP. It's how you differentiate like the trolls with the people who are not gonna really get mad and just, you know, not be like that other guy got him gaming. I'm so freaking sassy. I'm a sassy ass guy. So the setup that we're seeing on GU is the reason I actually closed, like the candlestick formation that caused me to close. Looking at the candlestick formation right now on GU is making me want to take a sell and give it a second chance. Like it feels like I could give that setup a second chance right now. You know what I mean? Pound is strong, but I feel like the dollar is what's pushing. Because if the pound was so strong, then what? You know, GJ would be rallying, or well, GJ is rallying. Pound is strong. Well, I'm like I got like the bad devil in my head, and then Arnold is like the good devil, or the good, whatever that one. Bug Cubas? Oh, I think that if you want to take GU buys, I will definitely hop in GU sells. What happened? You don't have the old vibe right now. I need to get a little bit more rowdy. I'm in a different setup. Different crib where I can't go crazy. Like I can go crazy, but I don't want to. I think GU Cell looks like a freaking masterpiece, boys. Do I think gold is gonna melt? Like I said, boys, if we look at the DXY, we see that DXY has been rallying. Look at the dollar index. Dollar index has been pushing. So why do I think? Why do I say that? Because you can see, and also we have a beautiful ripple fib to the downside. Man, I love gold sells. I think that we just have to put our money where our mouth is and take the gold sells. Right now, we are seeing a level of support hold, right? But lower levels of resistance are being formed. Lower levels of resistance. And that is a formula for disaster, you know, like that's possibility. We might go bullish a little bit, but I think that if news comes, I don't know, random volatility push, we're gonna melt. It's bearish.
Some things I can't forget. Lord knows I tried my best. You said it's not my best. I came about my flesh. Some things I must.
Dude, I think we're gonna take a sell. We're gonna take a sell on gold. Don't take the sell right now. Hold the fuck up. Stop loss. Wait, how many stop loss? How much of a stop loss? You think I should go 30 pips? Arnold, help me out. 30, 40 is too much right now, right? I don't think we need 40. Talk to me about us. What happened? And no, this is giving me candlestick confirmation vibes of like continuation of just like randomly having another candlestick open and just impulsively go to the downside. Because right now we have buyers hopping in the market. Like we know that people are like, oh, this is support. This is the level of turnaround. Man, just looking at the daily candlestick chart, I would not take that buy. Like I don't think that there's gonna be another wick that's just gonna. Like, it looked really weird. I see this continuing to the downside and aggressively. You know, when gold falls, like it really falls. I love that. Like that shit dies. Yeah. I just don't want to throw such a large stop loss that it takes me forever to get to take profit 1, and then I really have to wait for, you know, and then I have to wait for the rally. I'm only at a 1 or 2, 1 or 3. But thinking. Oh, I gotta change my headset battery. Also, a FOMC today, so look out for that. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. If you guys are just coming into the stream, I'm talking about the FOMC. I have a feeling it's going to push the dollar to places we haven't seen in a while. Hey, FX Peso, what's up? Sorry late today. It's been a big day. You are not late. You are actually early to the party, brother. What did it do, NLT? What did it do, Bleach? My boy Bleach. Yo, I just noticed that was Bleach. Oh, I gotta change my headset, boys. Hold up. I want to catch gold sells so bad. Gold has a mind of its own. I could be freaking catching the opposite side. We have not hopped on a gold sell yet, though, boys. Give me a second. Let me change my headset. Battery. I hate not being in my setup, bro. At least I can stream here, though. At least I don't have to ever. At least I get like fire free food all the time. Also, you gotta just think of the positives. All right. Alright, just took a small position short on USD/JPY. We'll stack if it goes higher. I do not, Darren, I am not a big fan of that. I'm also not a big fan on fundamentals, and fundamentally speaking, I'm not a big fan of the USD/JPY sell. Fundamentally speaking, because I have a feeling that the dollar is going to push. The dollar's been on a bullish rally so if you guys have this is the explanation I gave earlier. The dollar's been on a bullish rally for a while now. Right, when I'm talking about bullish rally, I'm talking about from all the way down here since December. So since last year, we've been, you know, pushing to higher highs. Right, let's go to the weekly candlestick chart. Very long time we were coming off of a bearish trend on the dollar. The dollar was weakening for a while, for about like, I don't know, 6 month span. And then after that, we had end of year rally, right? End of year rally. Well, this was literally December. I'm sorry. This is December. January, dollar's been bullish. Then we saw a little bit of a small retracement. But when we went bullish, we recovered basically half of this bearish momentum, right? We recovered half of it. Then we were like, nope, it's a fake out. We're going downwards. Psych, wasn't a fake out. It was just a small little pullback. We're still, you know, we've recovered halfway. So I mean, we've been very bullish this year on the dollar. Right now we have a very important FOMC meeting coming at 1 hour to 2 hours before New York session close. No signs of retracement for the dollar. We are ready. Like, if we were going to melt, if the DXY was going to be bearish, I think that we would have gone bearish already down here. I think we're rallying for a reason. Price is calculated. Everything's calculated already into price. I have a feeling that FOMC meeting, everything that's happening, I mean, and then we also look at GBP USD. It's been going downwards while GJ's been going upwards, you know? So the pound, even with the pound being so strong, it's pushed the dollar downwards. It's pushed the dollar. I mean, the dollar's been pushing downwards. It's pushed GU downwards. So, I mean, that's majorly the reason why I'm favoring every dollar pair. Like, everything dollar getting stronger, that's what I'm favoring. I'm back. When is that FOMC meeting? How many hours from now? Don't make me do that. I have no idea. In a while. More than 8 hours. About 8 hours from now. Or 7. I know, and GU's also. Jesus. Any more VIP members still in this trade? No. Martinez. Martinez, where are you from? He doesn't hop in my trade. What you mean probably? He's asking if you're in a trade or not. Yeah, but remember, his full margin was probably like, I don't know, like, imagine your full margin depends on how much money you actually have. If you're in drawdown, imagine he only had 2% left. He can only full margin so much. Full margin while you have an account with freaking break even or in profit, it's way different. So he says he had 3%, so he had like 1% for 10 pips. I think that you're a genius. I think that I would have never thought of that. I would have never thought of gold cells being perfect. What about the... Paras is just like one of those naturally funny dudes. You were gonna say that every prop firm that I offer goes to shit. That's why I said I'm not gonna like, even people are gonna ask me, wait, what prop firm do you recommend? I'm not gonna recommend any anymore. I'm statistically doomed on choosing prop firms. What does that even mean? Why? They're trying to like give us everything for TFT. What's also weird is that they gave everybody like 5%, 4%. Basically. So what, when we hop in trades, like we get like the sniper entry for real, for real? No. I mean, that's spread. All that means is that really we're not getting commission fees. Do you guys actually pay attention to those things? Bruh. If it's too much commission, it's very little spread. If it's very little spread, it's too much commission. It's like if you pay a lot for a challenge, you get fucking more drawdown. You pay very little for a challenge, it's harder to pass. It's all very simple. I've never looked at that shit. Like I have in terms of like I'll be like fucking $7,000 in a trade and I'll be like, alright, I'm gonna close. I close and out of nowhere I'm like, wait, what the fuck? I'm supposed to be like at this number, and then out of nowhere I'm like, oh shit, $300-$400. I'm like, alright, whatever. Do you count the taxes when you go pay at the store? Well, it's funny. I mean, people aren't really used to it here in America. Here in America, the taxes are not included in the price that they show you. You know, in places like South America or places like Europe, I'm pretty sure when you go and you buy something and it says like, I don't know, €2.30. It's €2.30 on the dot. You know, when you go to South America, something says freaking it costs $1. Something says it costs 10, I don't know, whatever pesos. It costs 10 pesos on the dot. You know, you go up with 10 pesos and you pay. Here in the United States, if you think that you just barely got something that says $5, you got something else that says $10, you adds up for 15. When you go up to that counter, you're gonna pay goddamn $18-$20. People aren't used to that. But when I was in South America, no, they just don't include taxes in the official price. So in South America they did. So when I used to live in South America, I'd always go with like extra money to the counter, and then I'd be so surprised when they would just accept exactly what it said on the counter, like on the ticket board, and I'd be like, what the fuck? You like gold sells? Yeah, I think we should take gold buys. You're also on a losing streak. Or you go into drawdown, you're gonna end up closing early, and then it's gonna come back, and then it's gonna put me into drawdown, stop me out, then we both lose. I feel like TFT is gonna be watching, and they're gonna terminate our accounts for reverse trading, for hedging. Dude, prop firms are fucking, you gotta really be careful with prop firms nowadays. Dude, why is it the fuck that every time I hop onto the charts stop moving? Oh no, I believe I think that, I mean, the amount of payouts that you don't get, like, they're paying out. You probably guys are just hearing about people that don't get paid out, but I have people that get paid out all the time. I hear about payouts all the time. You just gotta be in the right circle. Bad news hits a lot faster and harder, and it goes everywhere. People love negative news. Negative news is that they're not paying out, but when they are paying out, nobody's saying shit. What? No, he's banned from the group. Yeah, try to figure out how to unban him. Alright, Bada says I'm banning you. Now I'll go. He's sparing your life. I've been having like neck pain typically when it comes down this freaking desk. Dude, why is it every time I hop on the charts stop moving? Are you kidding me? Right? Like, what the fuck is this, Arnold? It's ranging right when I got on. JPY bank holiday too. FOMC later on today. I'll be waiting for the news. Is it a bank holiday? Who said? Is it a bank holiday for JPY today? Not that it matters if it's a bank holiday for the yen. It's not really too significant. Oh wow. Chat. What is the chat thing? Chat. I said that if we get to 50 likes, we're gonna be able to do a giveaway. Alright, we're at 2154 basically. 2154. Now we're at 2153. If we go back to 2154, I am possibly willing to take that. 2154 is right here. Stop loss would be 2157. 3.333 is $1,000.
Emerging only when needed, revealing themselves to the world in a moment marked by the realization of their ultimate destiny. With backs against the wall, they ascend the winding path of their own fate.
You feel like it's gonna go up before it sells off? I don't know. I mean, that's why I'm trying to give myself space just in case it does decide to do some fuckery. Will we go 8 pips? I mean 4 pips. 40 pips. Alright, 2154, stop loss at 2158. Yeah, this is the trade we're gonna take. Bought a ski stars skis? Actually I'll do it. Boys, take the entry. Take the entry, take the entry, take the entry. It's a 40 pip stop loss, by the way. So if you're gonna risk $1,000, boys, $1,000 is gonna be a 2.5 lot on gold. That should give us enough, you know. It's space for the trades to breathe. You know, we go into small drawdown. It's gonna be because of random, you know, because of what happened? Yeah. If you want to send it to me, that'd be amazing.
Outside by the jacks. Tell me what the time with a wreck. Never let it down, never let. Always thought T was a wreck. Never thought T was a wreck. Put the iced tea on your neck. When it go cold, make you sweat. Never let you go, never let you go, you the best. But never let it go to your head. I always got control of it. What? Still fucked up, still fucked up. Don't know what to
Boys, don't you guys dare over leverage. Do not even get close to over leveraging, please. Instant drawdown as always. Think about us. Let me not open up our messages in between. And I'm in goddamn drawdown instantly. Oh my god, dude. I give myself the yips sometimes. Risking 1.5%. Good luck. The reason I didn't get into gold also because top wick is 4-hour candle. After seeing liquidity grab on the 4-hour candle, then I'll get in. Gold buys called Xander. That's what we need. We need some more buyers. More buyers in the market means that we'll fucking grab some liquidity. 21.54, so 21.50 is take profit. If I'm not mistaken. I'd honestly just go with the GG buys. He just laughs. But dude, honestly, statistically, the way I've been looking, like, goddamn, bro. It's funny how Paras doesn't know if he can take me serious every time I say something like that. No. He said, alright, bro. Is that, dude, the chance that this is actually the buy, like, this is the most fucking... I mean, I see myself taking that buy, but I see myself getting clapped every time I take that buy. I swear. You know, those trades are a little bit too obvious. I feel like that's what that is. It's just a little bit too obvious. Rolling, got me starting. I don't even like Travis Scott. I don't know why the fuck he's on. Drop, you fucking pussy.
Midnight awaken, hyperventilator, drunk laps, running around the club, wild goose chasing after 3 #1 albums. Would have thought I feel amazing, still impatient, still sipping on liquor, still rolling up swishers. Nice beamers, double pocket for pen and meter. In your club, on your couch, just got paid to be it. On your girl, rubbing on my favorite features. I said they Jesus only one of the Franklins and Mona Lisa.
GG on a 3-minute scout. What'd you do with GG? You actually got the long right now? What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do?
Man, I might fuck around, lose my mind. I gotta break out. I'm on a stakeout on the farm where you lake out. Around
4 hour does not have a top wick on what? What you guys talking about? On gold? That don't matter. That by far is the last reason. That is the last thing I'm worried about. Completely the last thing. That doesn't mean it could it could completely still go up, right? Like, I agree that there is a chance that it goes up, but I definitely don't agree on the fact that you guys are anticipating this as your confirmation. There's no top wick. I'm not sure if you guys have watched me long enough, but no top wick just means momentum. That's why, I mean, for example, we had bearish, no momentum, no top wick, a lot of bearish, momentum came in the market, volatility came, therefore no top wick, downside.
Man, I can't believe they killed my fucking bro Prado. Shit was so deep, I had to say that with my eyes closed. That shit made me wanna treat a nigga like he John Doe. Nah, know me Rondo, nah, that nigga John Doe. This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Why would I let you take it from me, nigga? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga. A couple fingers on
Oh, Arnold, we're not gonna be too upset if were you in full margin on the GG trade?
I should have been watching from the jump with you. Fuck it, this is what that jungle do. Started what I started.
All right, then there's nothing to be upset about. Oh wait, actually that would have been 5 pips from take profit. Do you think you would have closed at 700? I'm saying as in like take profit hasn't hit, so it might be like one of those moments where, you know, we never even had take profit, nothing to be upset about. GU's about to melt. Does it count if I catch it if I call out 2 trades, dude? Well, if GU melts, freaking gold should melt as well. Makes sense. This GU is gonna fucking melt.
Walking in the rain with my Tim's on, stepping
it starts flying.
Full of pain, it's a big storm. 13 on my bull mains, it's a big storm. In the club, let them make it rain.
Oh my god, gold is retracing also.
No, I'm all about my box, nigga. I don't trust niggas ever since I was a young nigga. Coming up, nigga. Ain't nobody show me love, nigga. So it's fault, niggas. It's just us, nigga. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. The jungle turned me to a monster. The jungle made me go harder. The jungle turned me to a monster. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what the jungle do. Nigga, wasn't you? Should've never even fucked with you.
JPY bank holiday in Japan. No, yeah, I know. Now I'm aware. No, I guess I wasn't aware because it's I mean, realistically, guys, there's not really much importance to that. It's fine. It's a big storm. 13. Let a nigga rain like, whoa, nigga, we don't fall with you.
I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. But when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. My girl the
Alright, what do you know about Japan, Anton? Only Forex Factory. Oh, JPY Bank holiday today. You know nothing about Japan. You guys are funny. Omar said Omar. You remember me? I don't know. I think so. Like, I remember your name. You're always here. No? It doesn't matter if it's JPY holiday. It's always a JPY holiday. The yen, the reason we trade the yen, the reason I like GBP JPY is because GBP JPY has one major pair being GBP and one minor pair being JPY. So the only thing we ever need to worry about is the strength and weakness of GBP, right? When you're looking at GBP USD, you have two major pairs here, boys. You got GBP, and then you have USD. If one is strong, this one's weak, we still don't know what happens, you know. This shit's fuckery, you know. That's why it's hard to trade two majors. So I don't even trade EU. So I don't trade anything that has two majors. I like trading GBP and JPY. Why? Because JPY, it's like a friggin' old man's, you know what? It's dead. You know, don't go anywhere. Well, opposite of that, don't move. GBP JPY, shit's like a friggin' baby rocket. Yo, paras, get that guy. He said, "Baya la kapalaka testa kata yikita lost me on the hapa your front." Talahem, kosomak ele, omak. Omak. Yelerarse. So if he does speak, you know, any real Arabic, he'll understand what I said. 300 seconds? That's it? I don't know. I think he wants more. I think it should be like 300 seconds per freaking whatever he dropped. He was dropping like freaking Bible verses, Ramadan verses. So this is gonna be a double win. When GU melts and gold melts, it's gonna be double win. Win-win. 2 wins. Drop a like. So can I get the giveaway? I'm confused. Omar, did you win a giveaway? Oh, I hate doing that. You know, because everyone wins the giveaway. You know what I mean? You know, hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Tell me how many bitches you fuck. It's a breath of fresh air, no? Paras came up with a good idea where he said, who the hell put the old man thing? What is that? Algo? What does that even mean? What does that emoji even mean? Sometimes people feel emojis. What is it? There's a pizza on his head? What is that emoji? A salute. Oh. Back to school shopping, I just bought a ruler. Mercedes-Benz coupe. Darren says, seriously man, your calls are banging. I took your advice and exited USDJPY. We'll revisit later. I honestly hate telling people to get out of their own trades. Let him have it. Like Timothy. I'm so cold, bro. Alright. Come on. Let's see some volatility so we don't have to just freaking sit around like always. I feel like every time I get into a trade, I'm on the freaking charts, shit just doesn't move. I get off, shit goes crazy. G looks really bearish. All right, let's go check out USDJPY. What was my buddy Darren talking about? Oh, he went for the... Oh, so okay, I see what you're saying. Am I gonna trade FOMC? I'm kind of down. I'm not gonna be doing anything today, so I could hop on. I'm not gonna stay until FOMC. Could I hop on like fucking 30 minutes before and then hop on 30 minutes after? 100%. Yeah, it was a small risk, big position, but you know, cut losses early. I totally understand what type of trade that is. Back to break even on gold. Just just for content. Friday boom and the Sunday's a little slower. Your stop loss is too wide on gold. What? Too wide? It's too wide for somebody who's looking for the next 15-minute candlestick to hit their freaking take profit. But this thing's actually pretty goddamn short, I would say. Is that... I don't know, people are taught the wrong things, boys. Just because there's leverage, you know, leverage was made just to be able to get more money out of you. This is a perfect, as if volatility comes into the market, by the time volatility ends pushing this candlestick, it will be at take profit 1. Will it take an hour? Will it take 2 hours? I don't know. What it will take is just volatility. Volatility comes into the market, I hit my take profit. Very simple. Volatility comes into the market, throws me in drawdown. Like, we could go into, like, drawdown doesn't mean anything, and that's exactly why the stop loss is where the stop loss is, because I'm not trying to just anticipate the next random movement. I'm not trying to anticipate the next gunshot in the air or where the next bullet's gonna fly. That's random. I'm trying to actually, you know, catch an actual market structure. the market structure, if it actually plays out, you know, 100% working here, and then we would, you know, push maybe a good percentage chance down here. I don't know if I explained that correctly or not, but nonetheless, one day you will remember me. Break even. You see, Algo was probably like in a 30 lot gold sell. He's like, no, it's 20. 0.21. Oh, you're trading your real account? I respect that. You know what? I feel bad for people all over Europe that don't know this song. We're all, you don't know the song? This is the song that made Gunna and Lil Baby famous. Well, Gunna was already famous, but this is what made Gunna. This is what made Lil Baby famous, and Lil Baby getting more famous made Gunna famous, because Lil Baby is like the king of Atlanta. But this song was the first song that they made together, that they got to like experience, that their voices together is like a masterpiece. Like, this is, everybody in the United States knows this song. This is like an anthem. How many views does it have? Well, it doesn't have that much. It has 114 million. But listen how their voices sound the same.
Paid off my show, tripping this rough, more this V long. House by the pep, I'm never alone. Sleep on the lyric, come on, they go solve. 8 in a 2 and let it dissolve. Bombing my dinner, young gon' wanna ball. Rock the whole concert and hot in the frog. My foreign's a toy, I'm still a kid. Take care this year for Coachella, it's lit. Bro got umbrellas to cover her wig. Open some money, let them in a trench. Lightning bolt diamonds, cause I been revenge. We straight like a lineman, I really got rich. Some more fancy yellow diamonds in my pit. Don't get it confused, I'm still banging the seat. Cartier, gonna a done. Nigga try so good to drip like a sponge. Hatred's contagious, I keep me a gun. I'm focused on making an M in a month. Baby order 20,000 and one. Walking in by, I'm not asking how much.
Yeah, I agree with Martinez. Dude, the song, it's like people listen. It came out a while ago, but people still listen to it now, and it's like everybody loves it. It's what made Lil Baby famous. I'm not sure if you know who Lil Baby is. That's Baby right there. Okay.
Every 2 months trying to put up a end. My dog caught a body, they got it on film. We still rocking Gucci watches in the pen. Take a trip around the globe, then we do it again. Got them watching my drip, guess I'm sitting in the trend. Louis backpack, hit the jet and I'm gone.
I don't post what I do because you know be clones.
Got a championship ring, I just brought it home. If finished plastic, the bullets like pellets. It's your vintage jacket, this ain't pellet. Sold out dates, you know I don't play. The last 8 months straight, got no time for breaks. Only play till it break, ain't pressing no brakes. I got on 2 watches, I still coming late. It feel like my birthday, I'm getting this cake. I bought like I got it, I'm holding my weight. I control the projects, I'm pushing his weight. I'm sipping his scissor, about pour me a 8. Sold out dates, cash every day. I got you a mace, a lot of blue rays. Cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. A DD6, I gotta get laid. My jacket off white.
Wanna put Pure Cocaine by Baby?
Live on paradise, I don't see the shade.
Which one's this?
When you wrist like this, you don't
Oh,
forecast
yeah.
it's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, I ain't whip up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. Coop no brain, I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing.
Baby's big.
Bought a brand new shoe, told her, kick rocks, don't stand too close, diamonds. Kickbox ain't red, mean go, so don't stop.
Even my freaking Latin wife knows who Baby is, and she knows how to recognize his voice. She's so funny.
Turn on the gang, I won't do it. If I put it on a song, I send it a bend through. I can't put it in my song, I know how to fed go. Scream free out of the off, but I ain't no fam gon'. Gave my mama 10 bands, sent it to Cancun. Got the crowd going down, but I ain't no damn fool. If I went in there and did it, then made it, you can too. We done came a long way from broken chance shoes. When you wrist like this, you don't check the forecast every day.
Right? What the fuck, man?
Made a brick do a brick, I ain't whip up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain.
I feel like every time it's me. It's me. That's the next song I'm gonna put.
wrist like this, you don't check the forecast, every day it's gonna rain.
Do you know that song? Or you know what I'm talking about?
Gang whip up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. Coop no brain, ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do.
Do you know which one I'm talking about?
Got $250,000 in a book bag, new era, I'm a dope boy. No
You're gonna laugh.
living my best life for real.
For those who did understand what song I was talking about, which I doubt many people did, for those who did, they're not gonna say anything. You'll see why.
Everybody ever shot my shot, called it. Everything you ever see me riding, bought it. Big dog status, I ain't gotta sell drugs, put my craft in the rap, then I took off, yeah. New G-Wagon, no key, this a push start. I can hit the gas, make it disappear. When you wrist like this, you don't check the forecast, every day it's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, gang whip up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. Coop no brain, I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. Do my thing. When you wrist like this, you don't check the forecast, every day it's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, gang whip up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. Coop no brain, I ain't worried about you, I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. Do my thing.
Alright, this is the song I'll talk about. If I put the song, I'm gonna put the whole way out. So I'm sorry, boys. I'm gonna show. This is the reason. Yeah, I dedicate this song to the goddamn charts. Oh, I bet you will. This is like one of America's. This is America's favorite artist. There's no other artist in America that could get more views, more likes, more anything in America. Can somebody guess in the chat who it is? Arnold, you have any idea? This next song. Bro, America's favorite artist. I think Canada's favorite artist is Drake. I'm talking about America's. It's a pretty obvious answer. I'll put the song. Saxy knew it. Like, listen to the lyrics of this song. I dedicate it to the charts. Bro, it's me. Hi. She's a beast, bro. Some T-Swizzle. And she high-key got bars. It's like low-key in the behind all the screens. We got like a bunch of people like nodding their heads and shit. Like saving the song to their playlist. Like, this is the chorus. This is my favorite part. I got you.
Always rooting for the anti-hero. I have this dream, my daughter-in-law kills me for the money. She thinks I left them in the will.
Did you hear what Taylor Swift says right there? Like, listen what she says. Because I think my daughter, I had a dream my daughter, like, listen what she says here. She says,
He's laughing up at us from hell.
And then they said that she said this, then they go and they, wait, which one? Oh, they're crazy.
Taj Money.
Hey, pull up, Lamb.
I don't think I dropped internet. I think it's only you lagging. Not sure.
I fucked up so many times, would you bless me again? You went through what I went through, you would feel desperate to win. You got statements on your dog, you a threat with the pen. Couple nights I rolled.
Yeah, no, there's no lag.
And I drink a ginger ale, that's what I take on my 10. I say this my last time, then I'll take it again. Is you with me or you not, but I ain't gonna say it again. Get a second chance with promises, don't break it again. Oh, I'm going Kanye crazy.
I'm going Kanye crazy. Oh my god. I took it off on accident. Like,
you a threat with the pen. Couple nights I rolled strike cause they was changing the VIN. And I drink a ginger ale, that's what I take on my 10. I say this my last.
dude, I used to listen to Lil Durk before goddamn anybody in the goddamn world knew who goddamn Lil Durk was. Even before This Ain't What You Want.
I'm going Kanye crazy.
I listen to him and LA Capone. I'm not sure if you know who that is. I think it was Brian who told me about the song. Talk to me. No, Mabu? No. But I mean I don't dislike him. Yo, range. Like, cool. Now it's making me feel like my stop loss and take profits too big. Like, come on, do something.
I'm going Kanye crazy. I'm going Kanye crazy. I'm going Kanye crazy. Going Kanye crazy.
Alright, let's go look at GJ. Let's go see what the fuck. Alright, GJ is going to continue to go up. What is GU doing? GU is just... GU looks more bearish than gold right now, even though gold still looks bearish. Stream lag. Am I really lagging? Let me see. But if I change screen, go back, let me see how long the latency is. No, there's only like 3-second lag on the stream. Is it back? Confirm to me that we are good, chat. Confirm to me that we are good. I don't know. The stream's not lagging. Beautiful.
I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the noise. Y puro pinche cardiolito, mamá. This the Game of Thrones. Yeezy not the clones. Elon wear my rocket ship. It's time to go home. They served us the part since the day we was born. Anybody pissed off?
You know, there's no really there's no concert I would actually ever like really going to besides a Kanye concert. And I don't even feel like he's the best performer, but I just would like to see him go off in person. It'd be fire.
I mean, sis Taylor Swift, since I had the rolling on the wrist. I'm the new Jesus, bitch. I turn water to Chris. This for what they did to Chris. They can't do shit with this. Got my kids in a fake school. We ain't. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she on the room. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go, go.
What's lies, Saxy?
She on the room. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
Oh. T-Swizzle.
It's the way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready. I'm going barnacles. Moving to feel like a Jason, can't get arrested, I make them start mode. She want a private session, roll out them X's when I'm on Melrose. She tatted my name on her titties, yeah, you could bust it, but it's a borrow. Seen back counting no doors, I was raised in the borrow. She wanna taste the chicken and sweat today, ho, come back tomorrow. If you know what I know, how's your hoe? Just out the fence, I'm having them hot toes. Running around in the lobby, I know that they tired me, having like 10 hoes. She needs some presidentials, just to be presidential. I'm about to buy some dentures, make the hoe eat me for dinner. Pain, all in my eyes, I can't see. I'm about to jump out my body, I'm ready to leap. I'm about to nut on her body and tell her whole leap. 50 mil stuff in the bag, tell the whole gang eat. The Jay and body, tell me who fucking with we. Oh, I like the Carter, I'm feeling that hoe in my sleep. Dollar signs all in my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Wow, this way, cover my body like it's a disease. Wow.
Come on, man. Alright, one's in the chat if you guys believe that gold is going to go bullish. Two's in the chat if you guys believe that gold is going to sell. I don't know who's against me. Xander is bullish. Rojas is 1.5. Arnold's is 2. Dummy is 2. Patel says y'all finna get clapped on stream. That's the mentality, Rojas. Reply me. I am gonna buy at gold from 2155. Am I safe? Oh boy, you in drawdown. I don't know. What's your leverage? I was born with all this drip. I came at a faucet.
Had too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm because it. I pulled out the ladder, but got my roof, thought I lost it. Ain't there no hate been come my way, think I dodged it. She called a friend, we fucking in the roof, told her falling.
Man, GJ has a good entry right now. VVS is all on my shoes. Right? Or it could be clean freaking fake out. Let's see, what does the 4 hour say? I'm gonna put my bro in chain again. I actually love the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks beautiful. What's scary is that there's no volatility right now. So like if the volatility maintains to like what it is, it makes me feel like it's gonna go down. What's up with gold? I stopped wearing Levi's, now it's balmy. Patel. Yes. Yes, I am in this trade. Should I start praying?
Ain't too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm in closet.
What's the chance that this is a reversal wedge, man? Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Up the likes, fellas. Up the likes. I give an easy goal today. I don't even know what we're at right now. Let me see.
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga. And that fast thing speeding through the city. Panoramic brain in my dead Gigi. Motherfucker fame, all my niggas lit it. Never to the face, I don't smoke no Philly. Drippin' sauce like I'm chilly.
Because you need to refresh. Refresh. Dude.
I can't fuck with none of y'all niggas, y'all disgust me. When you with your maggot ass friends, don't discuss me. Effing with a standing clip, I hope don't try to rush me. I am saying such and such a nigga ain't gon' touch me. Big body band, remember I used to be dusty. Now I want my money, y'all hunters in a rush, please. I was selling weed when they came out with white tee. Now I put a whole half a ticket on my white tee. Whole hood popping other niggas, they don't like me. Made her eat it up, she told her friend he gon' wipe me. All my niggas thoroughbred, on foot cross street. Free all of the bros down the road and on right street. In that fast thing speeding through the city. Panoramic brain in my dead Gigi. Motherfucker fame, all my niggas lit it. Never to the face, I don't smoke no Philly. Drippin' sauce like I'm chilly. Said that me came to the floor when it's chilly. I got big booty bros.
Rojas is tearing up. Rojas gonna need a third account. Fuck, man. Nothing I didn't expect about this trade, just it's annoying when it looks so good. And then you start doubting. Bitch ass gold. Alright, let's start seeing what this chart is telling us. I mean, realistically, there's nothing really much has changed about this trade. We look at it on the higher, like zooming out, we have gone nowhere. Just we obviously don't like the momentum that's possibility coming. That shows that there's a possibility that's coming. But I mean, at least it's volatility. We need volatility regardless to go up or volatility to come down.
I got big booty bras at the telly. And then up from the store who was ready.
Money conversations, check my phone, sway. I buy Dolce Gabbana, Chanel, Monstrey. Supermodel, body.
I mean, it's baiting that it wants to retrace.
I've been running with hitters, my youngest gunshine. Cars of the day, brand new rave. My life circle, mines ain't straight. Bills ain't late, pay no nose. Ain't no Joe, oh, they won't smoke.
Don't stop it. I doubt that it flies. Like it's just if it was just a friggin' rocket. The small time frames just really throw you off. But I mean, if we start ranging around this level of support, if we come back to this level of support and we range around this area, and I actually love the fact that if it ranges around the support, man, this is a wick fill heaven. Like I'm looking at this setup and I understand how people say, oh, there's rejections here, but this looks all like it needs to just keep on wick filling to the downside. So like, for example, I would not take this buy. Taking a buy on that type of candlestick with these SMAs like that, like regardless, this is a good sell.
I didn't run up no motherfucking commas. Look at Lil Donna. Living like we in a race. I might come in first and second, but I won't ever be last. Lately I've been in my bag, but told me don't take my foot off the gas. They give you an inch, gonna take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a 10 for 5. City to city, got girls going wild, and I reach for my chain when I jump in the crowd.
Lambo so low, got a squat.
We finally made it, let's pop us a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't leave them in the bleeding room. Sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you a rat, so you
What time is it right now? How long till New York session? 50 minutes.
Watch how I move with this paper. I know if I stoop on one time, they gon' try to come take it. Really is it getting these niggas be faking. I don't want they vibe, so they hand ain't shaking.
Is it bad?
Cheer on that 42 straight with no chaser. I'm trying to get out of here and go taste it. Yeah, my diamonds be VV. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my
Oh boy.
bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VV. They don't wanna see us on TV.
That boy full margin that I don't know, fresh honey cake? Is that what that is?
I just pray that my kids be bigger me. They can't get rid of me. Wake up every day, somebody harassing me. I got rich, they need money, they asking me. I was sitting in jail, they look out for me. Ones who need me, no same ones who doubted me. I been handling my own, they can vouch for me. They'll way down with me, know that she proud of me. Turn the heat up, ain't nobody hot as me. Everywhere dollars be, that's how I gotta be. I didn't gave her the word, now she not leaving. Said
I don't
she
think so.
love me to death, told her stop breathing. He try to do what I do, but we not even. I want all of the beef, I am not vegan. Boy, you said it was smoke, nigga, stop speaking. Vincent door, drop the top, I can't stop speeding. Trying to see if this bitch hit the top speed. Hit the bitch from the back, have a knock. Call me baby ho, I control the rock. If the rap slow, I control the block. Yeah, I'm really it, and you niggas not. Got a couple coups, I can draw the top. I done made it, nigga, all these digits coming in. I'm saving for the bigger picture. No one day I need them, might as well get used to me. My biggest fear is ending up a used to be. Yeah, my diamonds be VVs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VV. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be bigger me. They can't get rid of me.
Yes, trade is on. Oh wow, look at gold. I mean, look at GPY boys. No way. Highest point was 660. Wow, my take profit when I have hit by 4 pips. Oh my god, look at DJ. Jesus Christ, Martinez, you did an amazing close. Good shit. Damn. What's GU doing then? GU going down? GU is going down. Wow, was GU the better trade again? Dude, I fucking told you, GU. Hopefully gold dumps before FOMC. Dude.
Swinging like P Park, can't blame him. That's my son. He's just doing the shit I taught him. On Rodeo, in the Maybach, they think that that's Rick Ross. Wanna fuck me? She a broke bitch. Sorry, boo, that's a big hell now. Wanna sneak this? It's cool though. Bitch, ass better not get caught. Got 50s, 30 switches every pole. You dig? Brand new money, blue nose falling out my clothes. You dig? This my business, can't nobody know. You dig? Nigga shake my hand, but he really wanna cut my throat. You dig? These lame ass niggas get dropped from left and right. You know I.
Yeah, did it on my own, take out my neck, take out my wrist, yeah.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich,
yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah.
Every day we lit. Every day we lit, every day we lit, yeah, every day we lit. Can't wait to get that vodka run, put it on my arm. Just counted the 50 with my mom. The ball done. All my car came from. My chain glowing. I ain't going, man. Look where we came from. All your bangles got my name on it. She want me to put my name on it.
Alright, boys. What is gonna happen now, dude? I feel like every time I fucking hop into a trade, pre-London sessions have been having a lot of volatility lately. Pre-London session has been giving me a lot of opportunities. Asian session as well. Obviously today was a bank holiday for the yen, but Asian sessions and early sessions have been the way to go. And I usually always trade early, besides like this week and last week that I've been coming on late, thinking that the move was gonna be late. So I honestly don't even know what to tell you at this point. Freaking, I miss those trades where you just freaking hop in and it just goes, you know? Stop me out, hit my take profit, just do something. Don't keep me here waiting, fucking anxious as shit on the fucking computer. I just got the new beam, put that on my glide. I done step my game up, got my change up. I swear on my niggas, I won't never change up. Rollie all of my wrists, rollie all of my bitch. I ain't going back, bro, never. Now when nigga get rich, I did it all on my own. Then nobody gave me a loan. Now my diamonds on froze. No fucking niggas hoes. I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, did it on my own, take out my neck, take out my wrist. Yeah,
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now nigga getting rich. I swear every day we
who's shivering? Why, they're shaking? Oh.
Now I'm getting rich. Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Shivering means shaking. Like, you know. Who's from America remembers when this song was actually popping? I actually was a fan of this dude, like a big fan. I got a flick, cause I got it. Please do not go. This 15-minute candlestick, I really don't want it to go up. Come on. Candlestick closure coming in 12 minutes of the 30-minute candlestick, 15-minute candlestick. Yeah, 15-minute candlestick. Well, it's a fresh 15-minute candlestick. I don't fuck with bitches, they too fake.
I ain't worried about no new. Know the bitch you got a set, and she always got my back, so I love that shit the most. I'm her big.
Alright, so now let's look at the daily on GJ, boys. If we look at the daily on GJ, we see that, I mean, we're at the exact 192 500 level. So you guys know that I always consider like the close numbers on GJ huge liquidity zones that attract and repel price. So like, for example, this is 193 on the dot. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is 193 on the dot, right? And then we got 192, because right, every 100 pips you have obviously the closed number. 192 is right here. $193 is right here. I don't know why I'm making it so big. All right. 193. 192. And then we have the halfway mark, which is where we are right now. So usually a lot of the time, the way I always tell you guys, if I'm closer, if I'm trading around this area right here, I'm usually targeting this resistance. If I'm trading underneath this area right here, I'm usually targeting, and this is not always, but this is, you know, there's just higher probabilities, usually targeting down there. We've been ranging around the middle point where honestly, you know, you gotta be, it's not that we're right above the line that we're like, oh, we're bullish. No, you gotta give or take a couple pips for, you know, it's not these aren't laws that hold to be true for, you know, for circumstantial. So you gotta be able to be a little bit flexible with it. Right now, we can, you know, it could go up, it could go down, I have no idea. But I think if we start breaking these lows, then we could easily start targeting the support. I think that if, I mean, we continue to break this resistance right here and we get near this resistance, I mean, obviously we could target 192 and then potentially 193 and then potentially 193.050, 193.10, etc. So that's the way I look at every setup whenever I'm trading GJ, especially whenever we're in trendy pairs, like we're moving. And when you're in a range, it's a little bit different. You know, you're bouncing off those zones. But I mean, right now we're at the halfway mark and we've been hovering over the halfway mark, but just barely enough where I wouldn't even consider it. But definitely if we start hovering around this area, 750, 800, that's only 20 pips away from 193. I'm expecting to hit 193. And same thing with, like, to the downside, if we're at 192, 200, 192, 250, I'm expecting to actually hit 192 on the dot and then potentially break that. That's the way I look at the chart every time I'm paying attention to these 100 pip ranges. These 100 pip ranges all have these psychological levels of attraction, and, like, you know, they attract price, they repel price. And so, I mean, right now I'm trying to see if this is actually going to start baiting us, telling us that they want to start going short. Gold's gone nowhere. Peso, is there weeks you don't get any setups? Peso, is there, I mean, this week, I mean, for example, 2 trades ago, I called a sell on GJ. The sell went 31 pips into profit, 4 pips away from my take profit, and then it turned around. So that was one of the 3 trades I lost. This today on GJ, I called out a trade at 192, 300. No, 400. 193, 400. 30 bips. I ended up closing at break even, and right when I closed that break even, it started flying, never came back, 3 pips away from take profit. And then, so like this week, like, what do you consider not catching a trade? Don't catch a setup. Like, don't see a setup? No, there's always a setup. Don't catch the setup. A full week, I mean, statistically I haven't had a full week. I haven't caught a setup in a very long time. If she keeps on going bad this week, then we're probably gonna hit that number. We're finally gonna get that statistic in, but I don't know, I doubt it. Chart usually clears up after a couple. What did Norman?
She know I get rap, she know my mentality. Group in the truck, watch the cover, yeah, I'm on nigga. Pull up in the Porsche, yeah, the pan on nigga. Yeah, pull up in the Dodge, yeah, the Ram on nigga. Anybody try, yeah, I'm a blam on niggas. On the headband, got 50 different girl line. Turn late, sun to a 5-5 headline. Always over dripping, I'm stuck my own coastline. Got 2 jit dog, I die fuck mine. I ain't never satisfied too money increase. Fuck those profile, too many increase. Baby low key, hang, I can hear him whispering. All these bad get trained, you can see him glimmering. Had to make a U-turn, I just seen a roll out. I ain't playing no game, I ain't spreading no out. It's full moon now, so I'm burning moon ride. Looking on screen, why is he on TikTok? Right now, I'm Lily Court, it's a little court right. RP Coke right, RP 24. I can make a cool 50K less 24 out. Rhyme with the pack through Tennessee mountains. PP and salts and leave 3 routes. I'm thumping through it, I don't need no counter. Had to reset, potato bit my neck, I'm a drowner. I got oil out of hell, I got wax, I got flour. A1's on for I'm feeling like Rocco. To the jet to Morocco. I got pretty women showing titties like I'm Flocko. I came in a hot top, I'm still in the drop though. I can make the chart drop whenever I want drop some. I can get my big bro dime, he'll pop some. These niggas not real slime, they impossible. I know that my awesome when I'm playing possum. I come from a different type of cop, we don't gossip. Pussy nigga acting like he's up, we'll drop him. She digging the rocks in my ear, I'm a roster. Come from out the trench, getting paid like a pop star. I be selling weed by the P like a roster. Who was in the car, only me and a chopper. I can make they heart stop if I decide to pop up. I can make a million every
Boy, should I say? I'm thinking about this GJ Long now, but now. I kind of like it. It's like one of those likes where I know that it could like creep up and go bullish, but if it doesn't go bullish and it actually goes a little bit into drawdown, it kind of looks like it's gonna go all the way to my stop loss. Like I don't see any, like I don't see any actual reversal levels before. What did do, Cactus? I'm taking cracks and I feel like I'm torn. Ay ay ay. There we go. That's what we needed. Every time back and going, I get another load. My bitch, I need me long time. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thin line on my tippy toes. Man, that shit crazy, different city with some different hoes. Here we go. Every time the pack get gone, I get another load. My main bitch tryna leave me long, cause I fucked another hoe. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let you go. Got me walking on a thin line on my tippy toes. Man, that shit crazy, different city with some different hoes. Here we go. I spent the whole M on some clothes. Got up on this, I sold out the show. Gonna hot like a pot on the stove. Yellow AP on all of my hoes. I like when that wet on the toes. Picture me riding around in that rose. I put some ice on my wrist, it was swole. Still ain't got time to lay over with you hoes. All of these drugs in my body, I got pissed, somebody keep checking my pose. Walking the club with no warning, take care of the money, they swing on the pole. Look at GG boys. My man bitch on me knows I fucking not at home. I'm like, baby, I know I'm wrong, but that's just how life goes. And I know these niggas be happy if I let. Alright, so entry at 192,600, stop loss at 192,300. Take profit would only have to be 192,900. How does that look for a setup? Anybody actually in gold longs as we speak, or is there anybody that's actually watching me trying to freaking hope I lose? We have a dead chat today, even though I'm pretty dead. Or the chart's dead. So that's what I like. My boy Algo is here. Algo always watching. Algo's a grinder. That boy Rojos. Algo is from United States, Arizona, if I'm not forgetting. Pretty sure he's from Arizona. I think, is Algo Space Devil? Are you Space Devil on Instagram? I think he is. Like he like rides BMX. I think he's a pretty good BMX biker or rider. I hope you lose. Thank you, Marcus. I hope you lose then.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. No, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, your man a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right there while I catch play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. Ooh, I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Ooh, who gave you pills, who gave that dust, Pluto sent you on the lick. Ooh. Ooh, too many convicts, they enrolled me to play in this shit. Ooh, round about nonsense, get old summer spreading this bitch. Ooh, they had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. Ooh, I'm on a PJ lighting it up, backwood full of sticky. Ooh, I'm trying to tote that Draco in London, and it's extended. Ooh, they gotta stretch a nigga, how we gon' die for this shit? Ooh, yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. Ooh, we some poor, high class niggas, made it, we rich. Yeah, I was at the band though, got a penthouse for a closet. Ooh, it's like a shando, live on my neck, my wrist. Ooh,
Alright, well, when it comes up, where are you streaming from? By the way, brother, I'm streaming at my wife's house, my wife's parents' house. So it's a little bit different. I gotta be a little bit more silent. Also, the time change is a little bit different. So London session is starting a little bit later for me, so it's completely a little bit of a different schedule. Also, everything's been happening very early in the market, which hasn't been good timing for right when I started hopping on a little bit later. You're short on US 30. What about GBP JPY? GBP JPY went short. Now it looks like it's gonna go long again. GBP JPY looks like a great ass freaking long call. But fuck it, we're just gonna hold our freaking gold cell.
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the neck finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. That's by the time I call her Serene. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat though, claret the pinky. All fat though, we ordered the Fiji. I'm in the loop with the voo, I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you working? I put your face in the news, I put the puss on the shirt. After I murdered it, make me go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird. Nigga's birthday and you a maniac, a fucking alien. How you spurting? Got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with that. Going Birkin. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger. Hey!
That was good. That was good. Good. I just need one more. Right. No, I need one more. No, one more. One more. No, one more. Trust me. Please. One more. I swear. Just one more.
How do you see US oil? You gotta go to WTI.
I think we need to change the lens. Yeah, change it up.
That's the ticker symbol.
35 mil, please.
What do you want to do? You want again?
Yeah, one more time.
You're the boss. You're the boss.
All right, guys. Last looks. We're going again.
En una noche me veí. So for that guy that told me, hey, your take profit is too long or my stop loss is too long, see, that guy probably got stopped out, hit profits. Like, you see how many times this goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. It's exact. And look, you see, this is basically 1/3 of the way to my stop loss. This was 1/3 of the way to my take profit. It went up 1/3, it went down 1/3. It's exactly why I have the stop loss the size I have it. It's exactly why I have the take profit the size I have it. So I could let price do whatever it wants to do, and actually I could actually catch the correct direction. You know, I don't get caught out by the fucking random wickiness, the random bullshit that price action doesn't even follow, because price goes up, price goes down, and it doesn't even follow market structure. It follows market structure on the higher time frames.
Catch one of y'all niggas slipping out.
Hoodie on, mask on, strap drawn, try to run, he ain't get that far. This boat try spin that block, gang gon' switch that car. Killer, I brought day, get blasted, lawyer gon' spank that card. Hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Hoodie on, mask on, strap drawn, try to run, he ain't get that far. This boat try spin that block, gang gon' switch that car. Killer, I brought day, get blasted, lawyer gon' spank that card. Hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Whole lot of shots like his face off, fit through it, hey, got the roof with a Draco. Back from the M's in the case closed, blood on my kicks, that's some stomping his face off. Chopper full in with a chainsaw, no cap, I'm in a booth with a bankroll. Stuffing the clip a whole tray, oh, he ain't gon' shoot, why the fuck is he gang for? Run up on Fetty, catch Fetty, that's Fetty. Count hella bands, swing chase, that's Helly. Henny on Henny on Henny on Henny. Gang in the spot, get daddy on daddy.
There you go, gold.
Spin on your shorty, don't do Bacardi. Bust up in Yata, open your mata, shoot up the party. Fuck we live, shit to the head, get beat up like Marley. If I'm not on the ace, then I'm in the field, so I'm up in guard. 30 clipped at me hella bodies. Spin your hood and kill anybody. If you missing, the medics got him. He ain't dead, but we paralyzed him. Hoodie on, mask on, strap drawn, try to run, he ain't get that far. This boat try spin that block, gang gon' switch that car. Killer, I brought day, get blasted, lawyer gon' spank that chart. Hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Getting money off the zelly, in and out of like a deli. Free that nigga Skelly, put a bullet in his belly.
Gold is gonna melt, man. The higher time frames are really giving me the signs that it's gonna melt. That's why I'm still in here waiting for, or else I could just gone and off. I'll let the statistical chance happen.
We got the Addy and we on the way. Swerving, lurking, slipping, murking, purge with burners. This a murder. Person put him in the dirt. They got his face prints on his shirt. Hop out, strap, drawn, head tap, try to ride, he ain't get that far. It's been through 2 shooters, 1 driver. We gon' kill that boy. We gon' bend that block. You gon' hear that noise. All we know is that ops. No attempt to leg shots, hit him in his head top. Hoodie on, mask on, strap, drawn, try to run, he ain't get that far. This boat try spin that block, gang gon' switch that car. Killer, I brought day, get blasted, lawyer gon' spank that chart. Hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Hoodie on, mask on, strap, drawn, try to run, he ain't get that far. This boat try spin that block, gang gon' switch that car. Killer, I brought day, get blasted, lawyer gon' spank that chart. Hanging out all black Suburbans, Blicky gon' hit that target. Sniper the Blicky, the Blicky, the Blicky, the Blicky. Kodak Black. Let me catch one of y'all niggas coming out the corner store or some shit. It's litty. Gang. Deep down inside, I know you niggas are scared. You niggas keep pressing and dropping rates. I get you niggas careers. You be grateful for me. Say thank you to me, cause we shooting for heads. You left them stuffed in a whip. Toe tag, they pronouncing them dead. Deep down inside, I know you niggas are scared. You niggas keep pressing and dropping rates. I get you niggas careers. You be grateful for me. Say thank you to me, cause we shooting for heads. We left them stuffed in a whip. Toe tag, they pronouncing them dead. If it wasn't on 22 G's, nigga, who would you diss?
Alright, what is happening now? Let's see if the 4 hour has changed. I mean, 4 hours still does not have a top wick. Just like, I mean, that's one of the main reasons I'm actually in this trade. No top wick means momentum to the downside. Momentum to the downside means that I should be able to hit my trade. Come on, push, baby. Give it to me. push. What about XTI? I'm not even sure what that is. Who's in this gold set with me though, boys? Anybody in this gold set with me currently? One's in the chat if you're, I mean, not one's in the chat. Actually, one's in the chat if you're in this gold set with me. One's in the chat if you are in this gold cell with me. If you're in this trade, let me know. I want to know who's in this trade with me. Damn. Look at that. That's gang. Gang, gang, gang. Anybody else in this trade with me? All right. Type 2 in the chat if you are in a gold buy against me and you're man enough to say it. Man enough to say it. Because a lot of people are going to stay quiet. I praise the guy that says the truth. Xander, that's the guy who originally said he was going to buy. I love it. But the buy could still play out. No one's claiming victory yet. I'm speaking now that it looks a little bit more in my favor, but nobody's claiming victory yet. And as I say that, price starts turning around. I hate waiting around, dude. Shit's fucking tense. There's nothing happening. Thank God we didn't take that. GJ, like, yo, GJ never hit the official take profit, Arnold. There's nothing for us to worry about. Buy from 2152, so you're good. Yeah, you're good. Didn't hit take profit. We would have been able to maybe clean like 20 pips. Chris says that it's forming like a little bit of a rising wedge. I see what you mean. 15 minutes to New York session, boys. New York session. We should get some volatility coming in pretty soon, boys. Isn't it pretty weird that New York opens at 9:30? Wait, New York session already started? Chat, confirm to me. Does New York session start in? So why does it start at 8:30? Esa voz del locutor. What is that? Like voz? Is that like because I'm talking low? I'm at my wife's parents' house, bro. And they're not even the problem. It's my wife's little sister who's like in past this freaking. I feel like she hears me. But hey. No, yeah, so that's my question. Why the fuck is it at 8:30? Why can't it be like at freaking 8 on the dot, or it can't be like at 9? Like, what the fuck? 8:30, and then fucking stock exchange also. Like, but Asian session starts like at a number on the dot. London session starts at, you know, on the dot. But New York is like, nah, we gotta make it 8:30. Radio station guy. And $1. We have Bitcoin at $1. Anybody want to overbid? $2. Going once, going twice. $2. About to sell.
She know how to put me in my groove. I know it's a lot that you can learn from me. It's just one thing that you gotta prove.
In Florida, here in Florida, what we do is that we go to the you know those big box air conditioners that hang out outside the apartment buildings? Like whenever you're like at a complex and I don't know where there's like a big box that's like gray and like you could like kind of like see the fans through it. So yeah, what younger people used to do, I actually never partook in this. I would go and see it happen. We were like in freaking elementary school. You go to that big like freaking whatever the fuck it is, and actually I don't even know what they would do behind it, but you go to like the part behind it and there's like a little gas that you can release and then you inhale that gas, and I'm pretty sure it's like rat poison. and you inhale that gas, and then I don't know where it gets you like freaking crazy high for like, I don't know, like 30 seconds. That you like end up drooling and shit. Kind of like inhaling deodorant, which is what they do in South America. In South America, they get like deodorant, and then they put like a piece of cloth on top of the deodorant, like where it sprays, and then you start pressing it, and then you start like directly inhaling, and then yeah, that also probably does like the same effect. I'm giving bad ideas here. Fucking Americans, dude.
Villains are made, not born.
But us, I'll give you $1 if you try it.
Beginnings, unlike their endings, take nearly identical shape and form.
That's so funny. This guy said, wait, what? I thought New York just opened at 8. Is it at 8:30 or it's 8? Dude, I'm so confused now. Darren told me 8:30, and I trust Darren. Darren's a veteran, to say the least. Whoa, check it. Yeah, me looking at GG right now, I would say we should be taking GJ longs. Longer than... I'm just kidding, I'm messing with you. I mean, GG's like at this point where I wouldn't even touch it. Because yes, it looks bearish, but nonetheless it's such a strong bullish trend that it's against my rules to be able to take sells against such strong bullish trends. I'd rather just follow this trend right here, this bearish trend that's going.
Wine bottles cost by the couch. You on the way with a wave. Stacks in my pouch. You know it jump at the house. You come with 2 in this.
How you doing, Rojas? You alive, Rojas? You got break even? You got profit? You got anything?
Step by step, watch yourself. Cleaners got anything you might have left. I couldn't do none of this by myself. With my VR, they in the tub. I gave you 50 to boost up your butt. I gave you the juice, you rather get buzzed. I tried to chew you, you rather go.
Rojas, are you actually a barber? Where you located? Texas? Where's everybody in the chat from? I know I asked that a lot. We don't got a lot of people. I don't think I've asked that in a while though. Where's everybody in the chat from? Ross might be dancing right now. Ooh. Ross got, you know when you're sitting down at the charts and I don't know where you realize you gotta put on goddamn deodorant because of how goddamn hot it's getting. Just kidding. I never felt that. Y'all seen that Raul in Dubai right now? Dubai whips. Dubai shit. Central Coast and Cali, that's lit. You seen people exposing Roll heavily? What they've been exposing. I've seen like people complaining about the bot. This guy said, I think I know Dahlia personally. That's funny. No Face said they do that in high schools in Australia. I think he's a little bit lag behind. Bruh. What was I saying right now? How's the WAP owner actually said something about the bot? Or like said something about trying to refund people? That shit already hit his account. WAP lets you take money real quick. WAP, I doubt it's that, like, I think there's a false of here of information, because I don't know, think about it. Why would WAP want to refund refund people if they make a very large amount of money off people like Raul? You know what I mean? Like, if you think WAP actually gives a goddamn hell about you, then you're goddamn tripping. WAP is teamed up with the sellers. You realize that? They make 30% off every sell that they promote. Mamba and WAP are best friends, you know? People that are big on WAP are best friends with their owners. People complaining about bots, so big traders jump in and also test out bot, and when professional traders also, they complain straight to WAP owner. Oh, see, that makes more sense, but saying that the WAP owner is trying to refund people, that make no sense in my head. You gotta think things out, boys. Whenever you guys hear anything, it's like when you guys hear something on the news. You guys gotta really fucking pay attention to what the news says. Peace out, Algo. Thank you for coming and joining the stream as always. Well, now you're in the Discord, so you'll get the alerts, and make sure you're in all our trades, and make sure you join our live stream and turn on post notifications so you can be a part of all our live streams as well. Much love to you, Algo. Yo, 2 sessions in a row that I hop on, and right when I hop on, price just starts fucking ranging like crazy where it does nowhere. Like, are you fucking serious, dude? Stop me out or hit my take profit. Do something, please.
I don't even know why she playing. Yeah, we stepping on shit like soldiers. Got chopper like Afghanistan. I've been tripping in the Rolls, big one to cuddling it. Yeah, I told her just do what you can, but don't ever do what you can't. Damn, the set like Santa. Tap pot seal on the wall, huh? Then drop shit in the fan up. Nah, I don't talk to these niggas be cool, but these niggas be fanned up. Tell level low with a freak. And she ain't even from Atlanta. These niggas monkey see, monkey do. So, you know, we keepin' banana. Put the top off like a can up. Instead of I ain't gotta shoot shit, but still, I ain't even hand it over. We on that bitch shit with a whole lot of vibe. Tell me from physics said she tryna ride. Put the fortune right on and that motherfucker glide. Seen some shit I could never speak on.
You like your vibe, but you think you want to join myself. I mean, the second that you said that, the price started going upwards, so.
Yeah, I just took a bitch on land.
I was saying, I tell him watch the AP dance.
Nah, I ain't nothing like a man. I don't even
I mean, I like our SMAs are in our favor. I like those wicks looking like they need to get filled. Just, yeah, just fucking range, dude.
But don't ever do what you can't. Get for a Friday night, met all the ground. Say she never suck dick in the lamb. I can tell she wasn't like she was nervous. These diamonds, they shine a little harder in person. I just been buying her favorite purse. He just went tell her name and curse. Lost my dog, couldn't hurt me worse. I'm making pay for this pain and murder. Ain't so good, I ain't even got pound. Get a nigga kill off my face, they burn. Ain't fuck with the game, we ain't never gon' spam. Wanna make sure all these K get dirt. I always make fun my first day in. Had an M on the low when I first came in. 10, 24 hours,
6 4 2, but I know that I make that shit timestamp.
Ain't holding on it when I spend. I'm fucking on her when I'm digging her friend. I'm with this bitch, her face is 6, but judging her ass, this bitch is 10. Dope boy, now I got 5 to 10. Solitaire rocks, my diamonds big. Niggas getting whacked, don't try the kids. Seeing bitch baby up by the D. Don't be fooled by the fashion, just know that we ready for action. We stepping design the key. All these hoes look clarity. I just got the bitch hypnotized by the way that my diamonds hit. Them stones carrots. All of my AP face can't tell what time it is. Hitting hoes in Paris. Need at least 2 to lock in. Bitch gotta bring one of her friends. Bitch treat me like God. Got her on her knee trying to wash away her.
Please don't reject. Please keep on going. 5-minute candle. I really don't want to see that high get broken again. Alright.
Yeah, we stepping on shit like soldiers. Got chopper like Afghanistan. I've been tripping in the roads. Big one to cuddling it. Yeah, I told you do what you can, but don't ever do what you can't.
Yo, charts are messing around, boys. Like I said, I was gonna stream into a New York session, potentially hop on during FOMC, potentially hop back on. I don't know. I'm not going to sleep, so you guys know that I've gotten off and gone on multiple times. I just don't know if I'm gonna stick around much more and wait for this to do whatever it wants to do. Give me some magic. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna start calling it pretty soon, boys. That cannot flip bullish. If it flips bullish, it's dangerous. J Coops says W. J Coops, I appreciate the freaking support. I appreciate the support, boys. Today we called out GJ Long that was 5 pips short from hitting freaking take profit. That was for the VIP channel. If you guys want to check out the VIP, you guys do that. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, all those links, everything is gonna be right there.
Yeah, they talking about doing this and that, but you know they scared. Nigga, man, but they bankroll income ain't coming in yet.
This is officially still the trade of the session, boys. If you guys want to know where you guys get to see the actual take profit, actual stop loss, that's also in the Discord group. Admin signals. It's actually in one of the free signals, boys, so you don't have to really worry. I'm gonna start calling it. Not the best market conditions today. Market conditions were really meant for early session. Like, it was really meant for early session today and yesterday. Yesterday was really meant for early session as well. London session was very rangy. London session finished. New York came and New York flew GJ. And now we're getting possibly the same thing. I mean, possibly right now London session is going to bring nothing, and then this is either going to melt or it's either going to fly. Same thing with gold. Obviously, we have FOMC meetings, so potentially we have a slow New York session up until that FOMC meeting. That's probably going to freaking make the chart fly 100 pips, 200 pips, because it's a big meeting. But yeah, I don't know. My patience is running out. It's gone nowhere. It's gone literally nowhere. So I appreciate you guys coming and watching the stream. I appreciate you guys' support as always. Sorry I can't be screaming on the mic like a maniac how I usually am. I feel bad that I can't be screaming on the mic. Probably The low energy is probably throwing off a little bit of people. Maybe that's why the candlesticks aren't going where I want them to. Maybe I need to bring that, like, that fire, that energy. You know what I'm talking about? But we are limited to how loud we can scream. So, boys, thank you guys so much for joining the stream. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Go check out our last few posts. Join the Discord. If you guys want to be a part of the private sessions that we have daily, make sure you join the VIP. Arnold's, thank you for being on stream with me. Badas, thank you for being on stream with me. Rojas, thank you for supporting. Lax, Sagar, I'll keep on talking to you. We're going to go, you know, what we talked about. We're waiting for our setup to go in and go heavy. There's no going and go heavy with this fucking range. Rojas, thank you for being a part of the fucking VIP. Thank you for being a part of the stream as well, brother. Much love to everybody who has been here. Marcus, you've been a supporter for freaking like 3-4 years now. 3 years, 2 years, I don't know. For a very long time. Damn, I don't know if I like this candlestick formation, dude. Saxy, you as well. You are a beautiful soul. You are a beautiful soul. VIP members, we will keep on chatting inside the VIP chat. I guess because this is an admin signals trade, I will make sure that I send what to do to the admin signals. Much love, boys. I adore you, boys. This is my family. The fuck? It's just not even loading. Alright, boys. Thank you guys for joining the stream. Like I said, boys, I adore you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Much love. Peace.
On a bitch ass nigga, and I pass the whole like a Matt Ryan. You ain't little long if you mind your business, cause I'm a mind mine. I grab a car and a boy, now she fucking on toys. Boys ain't throw out the pot, smoking out packing the Royce. I'm with R5, catch you at the red light, black eye. Never guarantee to shoot it like sight. Yeah, guarantee the nigga talk about 100 run dumb on your boy, and we just hot out the rush. We ain't put no with a silencer. Man, I come out that range with motherfucking bangles. I let that cutter hit every angle. I come out back whips like I'm Django. What the fuck the pussy boy ass saying? I don't know, he ain't speaking sign language. And I just left, coming 10 pockets on top, nigga, no tell me count. Free homicide, it was just a homicide. Yeah, in daytime. Yeah, seen best rubber, no real killer. Think you gon' take mine? No, I ballin' on a bitch ass nigga, and I pass the whole like a Matt Ryan. You ain't little long if you mind your business. Shoot it like sight. Yeah, guarantee the nigga talk about. Rich nigga, I don't eat Popeyes. Presidential roll, I brought the clock out. And I know you niggas tryna gang clout. Yeah, you know we're gonna Fox 5. Yeah, you know we're gonna Fox 5. Yeah, you know we're gonna Fox 5.